in the pursuit of excellence in craftsmanship.
We never stop. In the next episodes, I will show you in detail
Of LaserMen new generation.
portable air cooling handheld laser welder.
This laser welder, with its compact and light design and strong functions, all in one integrated of
Welding, cutting and cleaning functions. It redefines welding operations, not only reduces the burden on the users.
It also dramatically improves work efficiency. The wire feeder built inside the machine cabinet. Air cooling type laser source.
23 languages for your choice. 7-inch touch screen control panel. Strong universal wheels and laser gun holder.
Much higher configuration.
Makes your work easier and convenient.
In addition, the laser welder is with intelligent protection. During working, the temperature of the focal lens, motor lens, and protection lenses can be displayed in real time. This makes you feel more relaxed at work.
Okay, that is all for today. See you in next episode.